Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this facade and glass cleaner from Parkside, the model PFGR 33A1, for effective and consistent cleaning of stubborn dirt on a variety of surfaces. Holder angle 15 degrees, max input temperature 60 degrees Celsius, max pressure 180 bar, working pressure rated pressure max 150 bar, on a metal, plastic and glass. Accessories included, adapter system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course included we have in the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Here we have the holder for the frame, 4 outlets for the water at the base inside, the frame for textile cover, and of course you can remove that, wash it, that goes here. Just press both sides and it locks. And of course you can adjust it up and down. Nice. And clean your windows, your doors. Next we have the frame for facade cleaning with bristles. It is soft. The same you can install, and that just pull to remove and install that here. The same in here, and adjust. And included we have in this adapter for other standard pressure washers at the market. It depends what pressure washer you have. And of course you can connect that at any high pressure washer gun from Parkside. Press, rotate and it locks. Nice. So let's move on for testing. See how we can use that. Definitely I would like to see the amount of water from these outlets. Cleaning brush attachment for stubborn dirt and the soft cleaning cloth for sensitive areas like the glass. Easy to attach and detach. Results are very good. You will have a clean area in a few seconds. Connect the new model Parkside pressure washer or with the adapter to any other brands at the market. The pressure is very good to have the desired results. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.